Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome once again to my channel. Welcome to another video. This is a bit different. This isn't my normal content. This is more so I offered to explain to someone in the YouTube comments how many triangles are in this triangle. So if this isn't something that's going to interest you, feel free to tune out. Seriously, that's fine. The point being, this is a bit out of my normal scope of videos and subject matter that I discuss. But the question is, how many triangles are in this triangle? And people are coming up with various answers. I wrote down 18, right? And the person that I was discussing this with wasn't able to see it. It's hard to try and explain it in words. Well, depending on who you're talking to and how you're talking, I mean, it's not the point. Point being, I wrote down 18. They couldn't see it, so here is how that works. So obviously you've got 1, 2, and 3, but then you've got another triangle right here. Even though there's a line going through the middle, it doesn't matter. There's still the outline of this triangle. So that makes another triangle. That'll make 4. Right? Even though this shape right here isn't a triangle, with it being attached to that top triangle, it makes a new triangle. And likewise, the outline of this whole sliver is a 5th triangle. So you've got 1, 2, 3. You follow that same line of thinking. We'll do it this way. Follow that same line of thinking for the rest of them. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because even though these aren't triangles, when you take the outline of that whole sliver, ignoring these lines, just the perimeter, that's a whole separate triangle. And that works even for this one as well. And then same thing on the far right. You get 7, 8, and 9. Okay. Great. So there's 9 triangles. So that's half of the original answer. And then, let's erase all these numbers. There's another triangle by taking the 2 sections at the top, adding them together, that makes 10. You do that for the other side, that makes 11. And likewise, when you bring it down to the next level, makes another triangle, that makes 12. Bring it to the other side, that makes 13. And likewise, bring it down to the next level, that makes 14, and flip it to the other side, combining all of them in the 2 rows or columns over the entire length of the 3 layers, makes it 15. Beyond that, you add all 3 together, you get 16, bring it down, you get 17, bring it down, you get 18. So for those who might draw confusion over such triangles and weird ass wordplay and symbolic values of what is a triangle, there's your explanation. And some people, I've also in the past, when coming across these things, have come across individuals who thought that a triangle meant all equal sides. No, that's an equilateral triangle. There are different types of triangles. You get your right triangle, your obtuse triangle, acute angles, obtuse angles. You get all sorts of different triangles that come in with that, where you can have a triangle that is a right triangle. You can have a triangle that is not a right triangle. You can have an equilateral triangle where all three sides are the same and all three angles are the same. There are many different types of triangles as well. So if anyone draws confusion at that, there's your explanation. So anyways, take care.